What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove or delete your phone number from your Instagram account. Right, so once you're inside Instagram, make sure that you click your profile on the lower right hand side. That will take you to this page here. If you're on the home page, you want to click on the profile page on the lower right hand side. Then you want to click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side. Yeah, then you want to click on the account center at the top. Now, once you click on account center at the top, guys, you will see under account setting, personal details. You want to click on that. Then from there, you will see contact info at the top. Go ahead and click on that. Then you will have a bunch of personal contact information here within the list. You'll have email address, phone numbers, right? So you want to go ahead and tap on that phone number that you want to delete. Then you will have the option that says add another phone number or delete phone number. So that's how you can go ahead and do so. So you want to click on delete phone number, right? Then you'll get a pop-up ask if you really want to delete the phone number, blah 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 blah. So you just want to hit the delete button, and that's how you can easily delete the phone number. Now just keep in mind that if you'd like to add a separate phone number, I would advise that you add that second phone number first before deleting the phone number that you have there. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.